G'day guys, Steve here from Service Miride, and I'm down here today with Will from Engine Carbon Clean, and we're going to perform this Stage 2 on this 2010 4x4 diesel HILUX. This HILUX currently has 182,000 on the clock, and the owner has advised us of a lack of performance and fuel consumption. Before any work is carried out, the vehicle is scanned for any engine codes. And on this scan we found the code P0400, so a Stage 2 clean was recommended. A Stage 2 clean involves removing the intercooler and some of the fuel lines, so the EGR and cooler can be removed to access the manifold. Once all the components are removed, they are then put into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's a petrol or diesel engine, not all the fuel gets burnt. The unburnt fuel leaves behind carbon, which over time builds up and causes a number of issues: loss of performance, a louder engine, lumpy idle, smoky exhaust, increased emissions, and a drop in fuel economy. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A ProVent 200 catch can is also installed to prevent the carbon buildup by removing any of the oily residue entering the manifold. Now that the engine is back together, it is primed and started to see if the engine codes have been cleared. Then a Stage 1 is performed, with the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle for approximately 1 hour. The entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without any use of harmful chemicals or any damage to the engine. So contact Engine Carbon Clean to restore that power and performance, and save thousands on that costly repair bill.